Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert text into a PDF using your mobile phone. We'll be using Google Docs, which is an app that's available on almost every smartphone. First, open the Google Docs app on your phone. It's a free app from Google and most of you will already have it installed. If not, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you're in the app, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new document. This will open up a blank page for you. Here, you can either paste the text you want to convert into a PDF or start typing the text directly in the document. Feel free to format your text, like making it bold, changing the color, or any other customization you want. Once you've finished editing your text, tap the checkmark icon at the top to save your document. Now, give your document a name by typing it in the title field. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the list, choose Share and Export, and then select Save As. Here you'll see a few options. Choose PDF from the list. After that, tap on the download icon at the top and select your browser, like Chrome or any other browser installed on your phone. The PDF file will be downloaded to your phone's Downloads folder. Now, let's open the PDF file we just created from your Downloads folder and check the result together. And that's it. You've successfully converted your text into a PDF using Google Docs on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.